Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the law of attraction and how you can use it to achieve your goals. The law of attraction is the belief that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. So, if we focus on positive thoughts and feelings, we will attract positive experiences into our lives. And if we focus on negative thoughts and feelings, we will attract negative experiences into our lives. The law of attraction is based on the idea that we are all connected to a universal energy field. This energy field is constantly sending and receiving information, and it responds to our thoughts and feelings. When we focus on positive thoughts and feelings, we are sending out positive energy into the universe. This positive energy attracts more positive energy back to us, which can manifest as good things happening in our lives. On the other hand, when we focus on negative thoughts and feelings, we are sending out negative energy into the universe. This negative energy attracts more negative energy back to us, which can manifest as bad things happening in our lives. The law of attraction is important because it can help us to create the life we want. If we can learn to focus on positive thoughts and feelings, we can attract more positive experiences into our lives. This can be helpful for achieving our goals in all areas of our lives, including our careers, relationships, health, and finances. How the law of attraction can help in growth. The law of attraction can help us to grow in many ways. It can help us to become more positive and optimistic, set and achieve our goals, attract positive people and opportunities into our lives, improve our health and well-being, create a more fulfilling life. If you want to use the law of attraction to achieve your goals, there are a few things you can do. Get clear on what you want. What is your goal? What do you want to achieve? The more specific you can be, the better. Believe that you can achieve your goal. This is essential. If you don't believe that you can achieve your goal, it will be much harder to manifest it. Take action. Don't just sit around and wait for your goal to come to you. Take steps to make it happen. Be patient. It takes time to manifest your goals. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep visualizing, believing, and taking action. Eventually, you will achieve your goals. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you to achieve your goals if you are willing to put in the effort. You can use the law of attraction to create the life you want. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.